Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark,
hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share with you the new Norvina ABH palette. It's so pretty. I'm so obsessed with this thing. The best part of it is that I wasn't expecting it in the mail, so when I got the email I was so excited. It came in that package back there, but I wanted to have it on display. I also got another one of the ABH primers, and I did use that in this tutorial. I didn't show it, so just know that I did use that. I'm also going to insert swatches now. So the palette looks like this. It comes with 25 shades. It is vegan and cruelty free, and this is the Pro Pigment palette volume 1. So it does say volume 1, so hopefully, fingers crossed, that there will be more of these bad boys to come. So this is the look that I came up with. If you guys want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm zoomed in for this part of the video because I really want you guys to get a good look at all of these beautiful colors. Okay, so first I'm gonna take the color D1, pretty yellow shade right here, and I'm gonna put that into my crease. Next, I'm gonna take the color B4, this really pretty like neon coral shade, and I'm gonna also put that into my crease just a bit below the yellow. And these are so pigmented, like I'm barely tapping into the color, and the color payoff is crazy. Next, I'm going to take the color E2, which is this color right here, and it's a matte orange shade. And I'm just going to put that a bit above where I put the last color. Then I'm going to go back in with the yellow and blend that orange out. It's a bit heavy-handed, and this orange is like kind of hard to blend out, so just make sure you're taking your time and really blending these shades out. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking the color A2, this pretty lilac purple grape shade, and I'm going to put that below the pink. Next, I'm going to take the darker purple right here, A3, and build up the previous purple. I'm also going to take the purple, the first purple that I used, A2, and put that on my lower lash line. Going back in with the orange, I'm going to blend out our lower lash line. On my lids, I'm going to take the Anastasia primer and cut my crease. Okay, so now that my crease is cut, I'm going to take the color A1, which is this light shimmery purple shade, and I'm going to put that on my lids. Now, I'm not sure how this one performs, but I'm going to try and use my NARS number 45 brush. It is like a shimmer, so it might be best if I use my finger, but I'm going to try the brush and see. So the brush actually applied it well, better than I actually had expected. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with this brush here. It's a NARS number 12. And I'm going back in with the purple A2, and I'm going to just define my crease. Because when you cut your crease, the colors can get kind of lost in translation. So don't be afraid to go back and define that using a small brush. And because I had this brush out, I actually am going back in with all of the previous colors that I had applied and just building them up. So now I'm just back in with that neon kind of coral shade. So I'm gonna take one of these Anastasia brushes from the other palettes, and I'm going to take the color B4, this guy right here, purple, deep purple, and darken up my outer corner. Okay, so now that my shadow's done, I'm going to take the Anastasia liquid liner and do a line. So I'm just going to apply my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. I put my lashes on. I was actually sent 4 liquid lipsticks in this PR package as well. They just look like this. So there is neon coral, red coral, spicy, and pastel coral is this one. So I'm just going to put one of these on. So I'm gonna use this one, and so I'm gonna be taking the color neon coral and applying this to my lips. So that completes today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, if you're not subscribed, make sure you do so and click on the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next one.